Hi everyone, welcome to my channel GK for all competitive exams. SSC CGL Tier 1 result out 2021. In this video, I am going to show you how to check result of SSC CGL Tier 1. Let's start. First of all, you have to visit official website of Staff Selection Commission ssc.nic.in. You have to enter your registration number, password, captcha, then click on login option. After that, you can get information like this. At the top, result option is there. You have to click on result option. Then you can get information like this. If you are applied for the post of assistant audit officer and assistant accounts officer, you have to click on list 1. In write up, you can get cut off marks. If you click on result, you can get PDF. In that, you have to check your result. You can check your result by entering your name or roll number. Same process follows for all other posts. If you applied for the post of junior statistical officer, you have to click on list 2. If you are applied for the post of statistical investigator GR2, you have to click on list 3. If you are applied for all other posts, you have to click on list 4. And in every write-up, you can get cut-off marks. If you click on result, you can get PDF. In that, you have to enter your name or roll number. You can get information that if you are selected for Tier 2 or not. If you click on write up, you can get information like this. This is list 1 cutoff for the post of assistant audit officer and assistant accounts officer. You can check cutoff of list 1 here. This is cutoff for the post of junior statistical officer list 2. This is cutoff for the post of statistical investigator GR2. This is cutoff for all other posts. This is list 4. You can check your cutoff. Your category cutoff here.